Welcome to a world where creativity meets sustainability. In our fast-paced society, the fashion industry has often prioritized speed over substance, leading to excessive waste and resource depletion. Enter the exciting realm of reworked fashion, where we embrace innovation and artistry by transforming what was once deemed obsolete into something fresh and fabulous. This journey is not just about style. It's a celebration of individual expression and a commitment to environmental consciousness. As we witness the pressing challenges of climate change and pollution, the upcycled fashion movement emerges as a beacon of hope. It embodies the philosophy of turning waste into wonder, inspiring designers and fashion enthusiasts to rethink their consumption patterns. By breathing new life into discarded clothing, we cultivate a culture of sustainability that values creativity over conformity. Upcycled fashion allows us to break free from the limitations of fast fashion and bask in the beauty of unique, handcrafted pieces. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you taking the time to explore the exciting world of reworked fashion with us. Your interest in sustainable style not only helps promote eco-friendly practices, but also encourages creativity and individuality in fashion. If you enjoyed this journey into upcycled fashion, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content. Hit that like button to show your support and share this with friends who are passionate about making sustainable fashion choices. Together, we can spread the word and inspire others to embrace the philosophy of waste not, want not. Thank you for being a part of our community.